Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 627. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that we use to invest $1 in Bitcoin every single day. If you don't know what this app is, if you aren't familiar with it, just check out some of the other videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. We got stocks and Bitcoin up at the top of the screen. We want to be on the Bitcoin section. Bitcoin currently at 12,985. So almost 13,000, and it was over 13,000 a little bit ago. So we can see we're up 14% on the week, looking good, up 23% on the month, and up 64% on the year. An absolute rampage since about 7 months ago. I think we're currently coming into some resistance, so let me pull this up on an actual chart to better explain it to you guys. Here's the huge run up to about 20,000 in 2017. Came all the way down, came back up, found some resistance in this zone around 13,000 exactly. You can see we're working our way up to that resistance right now. So will it push back down here? I don't know. I think a pattern like this could form. So an ascending triangle pattern could form. It could bounce around between here and then break out the top. Basically, these patterns form because there's sell orders right here, right where this previous resistance was. So it'll come up to the sell order. If it doesn't break through, it'll drop back down, come up to the sell orders again. It buys through a little more of them, come back down, and eventually the sell orders get thin. They weaken. There's less sellers, and it eventually just breaks out. That's why this ascending triangle pattern forms. You can Google it and learn more about it. So if we are able to break out of this resistance, it's pretty much free space, freedom all the way up to $20,000. That's probably where the next resistance will be. But could it come back down into these zones? Could it come back down into here? Absolutely. That's why we just keep dollar cost averaging. Keep buying $1 every single day. Easiest strategy that anybody can do. Let's take a look at news. Nothing much really. I have 0.079 Bitcoin, so let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap 3 dots, tap $7, tap next. Scan my fingerprint. We buy $7 every Friday. Averages out to be $1 per day. So there we go, Bitcoin purchase, tap done. Scroll down here. See, I now own 0.0795 Bitcoin. So slowly adding to our balance there. We should be at 0.08 Bitcoin next video. So nice to see, slowly chipping our way to 0.1 Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. It should be really good by now. $1,032, 1032 divided by 627 days equals a 1.64x on our investment. So what that means is for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $1.64. And there you have it for today's update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't lay your problems on the